Let me first ask you, do you buy from receiving emails from your favorite brand or influencer that you follow? I bet your answer is yes. And in fact, it is backed up by statistics that there are over 49% of consumers who are actually wanting to receive emails on a weekly basis, and these emails are not just any typical emails. These are promotional emails that they actually look forward to. Now, if we look at this from a psychological standpoint, why do people actually buy from emails? Well, first of all, it is the first instant interaction tool that you can actually have access to communicate with your prospects and your customers. Every day, people check their email multiple times. And as a matter of fact, all thanks to all the amazing iPhone and smartphones out there, nowadays, you don't just check emails on a laptop. You check emails on your phone. You check emails on a tablet. You even check emails on a smartwatch if you actually own one. Now, email is one form of communication that people are trained to actually open to see what are the latest deals and what their favorite influencer is up to and what they wanted to actually talk about. Now, that being said, have you ever wondered why people are actually buying from emails? Have you ever wondered why you actually buy from emails? Well, there's one thing that I can tell you, that the reason why you buy from emails is because of the like-trust factor. This is actually super important. When it comes to email marketing, the first thing that you need to do is to establish a relationship with your subscribers. You need to actually build a like-trust factor. Let's be honest, within your industry, there are countless of competitors. What makes you stand out? What makes your subscriber like you and trust you? Now, in order for you to actually gain this like-trust factor, you gotta provide value and provide content. Now, not just any content that you can actually get off the internet. It has gotta be through your experience and giving advice, strategies, and tips that they don't really hear elsewhere. And as a matter of fact, you need to actually take a spin to it, which is having your own personality and characteristics in your emails. This is super important. People understand that Fred Lam, he used wrong grammar all the time. And it's fine, right? That's my character. And that's how I build myself. And that's how I am Fred Lam. There's no one that is going to be unique. So you yourself is a very unique individual. So you want to actually use your personality, your characteristics to build the like, and the trust comes into the value and content that you actually provide. Now, once you're able to actually provide the like trust factor, guess what? People that want to open your email, read what you have to say, will actually buy from you directly, even if it is a product that you don't own, that you simply endorse. It's kind of like you receiving a letter from a pen pal back in the olden days where you just actually write letters to send to a pen pal. You need to actually have the exact same thing when you are emailing your followers and your subscribers. Because if you actually write it in a way where it is like a personal letter to them, they will actually relate to it and they feel that they know you. And when they feel they know you, they trust you. And when you actually endorse or introduce to them different products, even if you don't own it, but you endorse it, people will buy because they like you and they trust you. So remember, when you're building your business, don't just focus on ads and focus on acquiring new customers. Focus on your existing customers, focus on building an email list, and focus on building a relationship with your email subscribers. This is how you build a long-term longevity business that no one can actually take away from you.